Tonight we're going to be making fettuccine Alfredo. You need 1 stick of butter. You want that to melt in the pan. Put it at medium-low. You can turn it up a little bit if the butter is not melting that quick. You're gonna want to add 1 16-ounce container, or 2 cups is what this is. Turn it up a little bit more. 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. I like the grated kind, not the shredded. It melts a little bit better. And you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic salt and just a little pepper to your liking. And you're just gonna want to let it cook for a while on medium-low. Don't bring it to a boil, but have it bubble a little. Just have to have patience for cooking the sauce because you don't want it to burn. Stir occasionally. This is not something to walk away from. If it starts to feel like it's getting a little too hot, just take it away from the heat. Turn your heat down a little. Start to thicken. I'm going to be doing this until it thickens up all the way. That starts to warm up more. You want to stir it more often. And know when it is getting a lot thicker, or when for it to be done, is when it gets a lot thicker on your whisk here. Our sauce is now finished, and I'm just going to pour it over the noodles. And that's how you make my fettuccine Alfredo recipe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe below.